We are working with the system in 4 areas: in the marketing, in the purchasing department, in the sales, for the salesman, for the inside sales, and for the after sales team. And then of course you have in different areas different kind of benefits. Starting with the marketing, with the Fair app, we have a nice transfer of the leads. Everything is digital. We directly at the exhibition or at the open houses, we scan business cards or we scan a QR, data matrix code, whatever the customer has. The data is coming automatically into the system. So this complete process was from a semi-digital way, completely digitalized. After sales, we are selling every year thousands of machines worldwide. Of course, they have a serial numbers, but you need to have all this interaction with the machine. It means the installation as a starting point. Maybe you have then warranties, things, you have maybe further services, yearly services about the machine. You have maybe ISO certifications of the machines, so that all this kind of data is then also added to the machines, that you have really one nice database with the complete history about our machines worldwide. Of course, the main focus of the CRM is for the sales guys. This is for each CRM, of course, the main topic. From the ERP system to the CRM, we have a daily, overnight synchronization. So all the quotations, all the orders which have been made are coming automatically into it. So each sales guy can track himself. What are my open quotes? How many orders do I have? How is my order income, for example? So he has a kind of reporting inside the system for tracking himself. Then, of course, as said, we are using it as well in our purchasing department. Now we are producing these kind of products daily. So we have steel we're purchasing, we have different electronic components we are purchasing. So also our suppliers are inside the system. We have the quotations from them inside the system, so that we exactly know what kind of suppliers are we interacting with, who from our purchasing department has interacted with them, why has one of our suppliers won, what kind of different kind of products in the end, so that we have a really overall system inside our company to track all these kind of data, of course.